Want to install the useful Turn Off the Lights Safari extension in your Safari web browser? So you will get the best online web and video experience in your Safari web browser. Here's how. Go to the App Store and search for the extension Turn Off the Lights for Safari. Or click on the hyperlink here below this video. When you are on this page, click on the blue download button, Get. And now you must click on the green button, Install, to continue this installation. You may see a message box to log into your Apple account if this is the first app you install on your Mac computer. Type your Apple ID, email and password and click on the button, Sign In. When the app is downloaded, click on the blue Open button. That will open the Turn Off the Lights for Safari app window. Now click on the gray button, Enable Turn Off the Lights. This will open your Safari web browser preference page, on the tab, Extensions. Now enable here the checkbox, Turn Off the Lights. When you close now this window, you see two tabs in your web browser. The first one is the Welcome video, and the other tab is the interactive guide to learn the basic features of this amazing extension. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the Turn Off the Lights channel or click another video to keep watching.